Nagbabalik ang Ulat Bayan. Tagumpay na naitanim sa Barangay Bato sa Toledo City, Cebu ang 1 milyong native tree seedlings sa bahagi ng pagpapalakas ng Environmental Management Plan at Community Investment Strategy sa lugar. Yan ang ulat ni Jessie Atienza ng PTV Cebu.
Nagsama-sama ang mga miyembro ng Saud Caladman Farmers Association, mga kinatawan ng Department of Environment and Natural Resources Region 7, RAFI, Therma Visayas Inc. at maging ang LGU ng Toledo City. Iisa ang layunin, ang sabay-sabay na makapagtanim ng cacao seedlings sa Barangay Bato. Maingat na ipinunla ang bitbit na seedlings na bahagi ng Carbon Sink Management Program. Ang mga magsasaka mismo ang pumili ng cacao para itanim dahil makatutulong ito sa kanilang hanap buhay.
We're actually commemorating a milestone ng Carbon Sink Management Program namin. So that goal is to plant 1 million trees, but also in the next phase, make sure that all these trees thrive then also. This is a milestone that we're celebrating because we've actually met the 1 million milestone already. It was supposed to be 10 years, but we've met it in 3. Yung community involvement is very important for us because of course, this is our home in Toledo, right? This is where we operate and we want to take care of people while at the same time achieving our objectives on sustainability as well.
At para matiyak na tuloy-tuloy na mapapangalagaan ang mga itinanim na cacao seedlings at maging panghanap buhay sa tulong ng agroforestry, lumagda sa Memorandum of Agreement ang mga magsasaka kasama ang TVI at ang LGU ng Toledo City.
RAFI's role in that partnership is really first is to do the social preparations of the community because it is the belief of RAFI that before we do any intervention, there has to be proper advocacy, proper enabling of the community. So RAFI works with the community, prepare them, but most importantly, we provide technical training to the farmers such as plantation maintenance to ensure that when the tree planting happens, there's really sustainability.
I'd like to thank another program for the people of Toledo from TVI Abuetes. And with this, I'm so grateful that this company has been helping us here in Toledo. So I think 3 months ago, they also gave a project for our fisher folks, and now here in Barangay Bato.
Bukod sa Toledo City, kaagapay din sa Carbon Sink Management Program ang siyam mga bayan at lungsod sa lalawigan. Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.